You're playing or are you eating your lunch? What are we having for lunch today? Let me. What are you having for lunch? You having shrimp?
Yes, shrimp and olive.
And olive?
And ham.
Hey, Grandma Susie, you're missing out.
Yeah. Yes, the grandma. Yes, it is. Grandma.
So, did you open all your Christmas presents already?
Yeah.
Did you get some good stuff?
Yes, this is good stuff.
What'd you get?
I know shrimp.
Oh, shrimp.
Ham and olive.
Oh, and ham and olive. What'd you get for Christmas, though, for presents? Don't pick your nose.
I know. A bubble.
Did you get a pony?
The pony. A daddy.
Hey, Bubba.
A bunch of surprise.
Can you put your foot down, please?
Surprise.
Surprise!
Okay, say Merry Christmas to Papa and Grandma Susie.
Merry Christmas, Grandma, Papa,
And Aunt Nellie.
and
And Jim and Liana. Tracy and Laurel. We miss you.
I miss you.
More shrimp for me.
Go!
Bye-bye. You want to sing a song? Okay.
Happy birthday to Caleb.
Good.
Well, happy birthday to Jesus.
Happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday to Jesus.
Woohoo!
Jesus rocks, doesn't he?
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.